In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a camshaft position sensor on your Volkswagen Passat. This is located on top of the motor. Let's get started. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws for the intake. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the intake back off of the plastic trim. Using a pair of pliers, pinch the clamp and pull it down. Remove the intake boot off the intake. We're going to grab either side of our intake and pull straight up. And remove the intake. Remove the connector off the sensor. I'm going to push this plug in, and then I'm going to push down on this tab, pull straight back. Remove the connector. Using a T27 bit, remove the bolt for the cam sensor. Remove the bolt. We're going to gently twist and remove our sensor. Using a clean rag with some brake parts cleaner, we're going to wipe where our cam sensor goes. When we do this, we want to wipe any of the dirt away from the motor and not into it. I'm also going to try and clean up inside of the hole. There's a bit of residue left behind from the old O-ring. Install the cam sensor into place. Line up the hole. Get the bolt started by hand. Torque the camshaft position bolt to 10 Newton meters. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the intake into place. Push down on the 4 rubber grommets in the corners and lock them into their posts. Install the boot onto the intake. Be sure that it's fully installed. Pinch the clamp and pull it over. Install the intake trim into the front air dam. Get the screws started on either side. Snug the bolts down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.